Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Friday, the 1st of October 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened around the country and in financial markets today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 closed down 2% today to start the month of October on a decidedly weak note. The benchmark index finished at 7,186 points and is back to where it was in late May. It's off nearly 6% from its highs in mid-August. But it was a very busy news day all round. New South Wales Premier Gladys Berejiklian resigned, shocking pretty much everyone, after the state's Independent Commission Against Corruption said it was investigating whether she'd breached public trust and was liable to encourage the corruption of her ex-boyfriend, former MP Daryl Maguire. Ms Berejiklian has been broadly lauded for her role steering New South Wales through the COVID crisis from both sides of politics, but her personal life in the end got her into trouble. The COVID news today was mixed. New South Wales reported 864 cases, but Victoria reported 1,143 cases, and the number of cases in the ACT spiked to 52. There were just 2 in Queensland, positive news for that state, in the NRL Grand Final this weekend. In good news from Qantas, the airline will restart international flights a month earlier than expected after the Prime Minister said the ban on overseas travel would be lifted from next month, when 80% of the adult population was vaccinated. That helped push Qantas' share price up 0.7% on a day when most companies lost ground. The slide in the ASX 200 today was widespread, with many large stocks tumbling. Commonwealth Bank was off more than 4%. So too was Aristocrat Leisure. Rio Tinto and Macquarie Group were both down nearly 3%. But the prize for the worst of the day went to Virgin Money, the UK-based financial services group that tumbled nearly 8%. Mineral Resources was off 6.7%. The gold companies were among the best today, with Silver Lake Resources and Gold Road Resources being the best on the bourse, up around 4%. Northern Star Resources rose 2.5%, while Newcrest Mining jumped 1%. The price of gold is trading around $1,750 an ounce, which is better than where it was a couple of days ago. The Aussie dollar is worth around 72 US cents. Oil prices have come off a bit over the past 24 hours, but still ended the week higher than where they started. That's 6 weeks in a row that's happened. And just recapping Wall Street, the tech-heavy Nasdaq ended the day down 0.4%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 both closed more than 1% lower after late afternoon selling. Negotiations around big spending packages in Washington are ongoing and spooking markets. So too is inflation, higher energy prices, fears about China, all sorts of things. That's it for the afternoon market report for Friday, the 1st of October 2021. Don't forget to hit follow on the podcast and find Fear and Greed on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Join me tomorrow morning for the weekend edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your weekend.